They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I am. I know the bad guy, yes I am a bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm outside. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I am. Hey, hey. They say a lot about me, let me tell you. So I'm the bad guy now, I hear. All because I don't go with the flow. I don't let nobody take advantage of me. And I love my niggas. I mean like niggas in like a cool way, not like a racial way. Tonight, you're my nigga. Hey, if I had one advice for y'all tonight, don't ever go with the flow, be the flow. I don't know why everybody acting like this is new. They ain't give me a record contract. I made my own record company.